If you're experiencing issues with Roblox updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and then reopen it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other websites or applications. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 3. Clear Roblox cache. Navigate to the Roblox installation folder on your device and delete the cache files. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be interfering with the update process. Step 4. Update your device. Make sure your operating system and any relevant drivers are up to date. Sometimes, outdated software can cause compatibility issues with Roblox updates. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the issue persists, uninstall Roblox from your device and then download and install the latest version from the official website. This can fix any underlying problems with the installation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Roblox updates getting stuck. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.